Guys, what we got here today is the Toro battery chainsaw. And I got some trees I'm gonna cut down today, man. I'm gonna get out here and use this. So we're gonna see how it does in the field. So you can see, let's see right here. If I pop the battery out, it's the 60 volt 2.5. I also got another battery in the truck ready to go. Charged them up last night. One thing with these batteries, you have to remember to charge them up. It's not me. We charge up our cell phones all the time, but you'll forget to charge this up, trust me. So that's what it is right there. Let's see, let's see, try to start it. And if I try to start it like that, it's not going to start at all. So see this, flip that back and we'll get to going. Now it starts off kind of with a slow start and then speeds up. So I'm gonna get out here and see what it looks like as far as the oil. Let's put this on here. As far as the oil goes, see I got it on there right there. You can see the oil right here. And as far as the oil, this is what you do. You just flip this up, which I really like. Flip that up and you can just turn it like that. Get right in there like that, get to your oil with no problem. So pretty nice. So we're gonna get out here, man. We're gonna get in the field and we're gonna put this thing to work. So holler at you in a second when I get out here and get it cut. All right, so this is what we got today. I'm gonna get this right here down. Take this down, it's a pretty big bush. And get it knocked out. And then we also got them two right there that we're gonna take down. So get it started and show y'all. Thick this is right here. Pretty thick. And did that with the Toro. So, in 1 second, get done with the video. Alright, now guys, you see that before and after. Man, she came out, she was amazing, she loved it. Let me show you what I had to do on one part. I had to cut around here, cut around there, be able to pull it out, but you see how clean the Toro cut. I wish I could have got some video, man, but my camera was messing up and had the most going on. But see how clean that cut? It's a clean cut right there. Get that off there. You see this right here? Got that knocked down. I'll put the before and afters up on the video so you can see it. But you see how that looks? Totally different. Also on this side, we have to take the fence down. It's all over right here on the back of the truck. So give me a second, I get back to the house, get this unloaded, and I'll get the rest of the video for you guys, man. So let me show you this chainsaw. We'll cut a couple pieces of wood that I got left over from the fence early. You can see that metal's all in there right there. So But I'll get around, I'll go on this side, and I'll cut this side, show you how it works. All right, now you can see how thick of a piece of wood that is right there. It's a nice thick piece of wood, guys. So this is how the Milwaukee, I said, ooh, disrespectful, sorry guys. This is how the Toro cuts. It's a nice thick piece of wood, and that went through there pretty quick to me. So give you one more cut, and I'll show you when we go back in the garage. So, that's how thick those pieces are. Two nice thick pieces, and I feel like it cut pretty good, guys. So, I used that one battery at the other spot, and that one's down to 2. So, we'll get in here and tell you what I think about this Milwaukee. Toro. Alright, so my final thoughts, man. I like it. I got a whole lot of cuts out of this battery right here. And you see the size of those trees and how thick those stumps was, man, I took out. So, I like this thing. And this is the smaller battery right here, which I have for my pole saw. Like I said, I have to get you guys some videos. You can see the Toro weed eater over there. The head, which I did a video on before, the pole saw I did a video on, but this right here I like, guys. And if I didn't have, like me, I don't have a lot of major jobs for gas, so for me this works. The battery lasts long enough, and it does what I need to do. Now if I step it up, need something else, then I gotta go with something else. So I went through one full battery, like I said, and this one right here has 2 batteries on it. So, getting her charged up, man. You guys let me know what you think. If you guys run any battery chainsaws or anything, drop some comments and let me know what brand. This is a 16-inch also. And man, get with you guys in the next video, man. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like, hit the subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. And I'll catch you in the next one, man. Boneyard Lawn Service.
Start smoking.